Hello and welcome to the Success with Savita podcast, where we share hot tips on how to do life and business without losing your mind. I'm your host, Savita Nanjappa, entrepreneur, high-achieving 9-to-5er turned transformational success coach, helping you create a wildly successful business. Come hang out with me and other fabulous humans like you every week for stories and chats packed with a healthy dose of tips, resources, how-tos, and real talk. Side effects may include a happier and more confident you with each passing day. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Success with Savita podcast, where we explore stories, strategies, and insights to help you achieve success in every area of your life. I'm your host Savita, and today I'm diving into part 2 of the Career Glow Up, and I'm calling it your own personal and life glow up, because you can't do one without the other, right? So this is part 2 of the Glow Up series. Let's get stuck in. The phrase glow up might make you think of dramatic physical transformations, but it's so much more than that. A true glow up touches your mindset, your habits, your relationships, and most importantly, the way you feel about yourself. So, whether you're feeling stuck or simply ready to take your life to the next level, this episode is for you. Let's start by defining what glow up really means. Like I said, it's so you can be sure to include looking and feeling better physically, but at its core, it's about transformation. And I did share this in the Career Glow Up as well, right? It's about evolving into a version of yourself that feels authentic, aligned, alive, and powerful. A glow up can mean breaking old patterns that no longer serve you, cultivating confidence in who you are, prioritizing your mental and physical well being, aligning your lifestyle with your values and goals. The beauty of a glow up is that it's personal. It's not about copying someone else's journey. It's about uncovering what works for you and leaning into it. And I'm here to guide you through how to start this process. So, the foundations of a glow up. Every glow up begins with self-awareness, like I shared. So, just like in the career space, in the life and personal space, for today's series, we are focusing on life and personal. Let's begin with self-awareness. And number one is to do a life audit. Take an honest look at where you are right now. Reflect on the areas of your life, career, relationships, health, money, personal growth, social life, all of this, right? Parenting, if you're a parent, ask yourself what's working, what's not. I would also add like a home life, your travel and lifestyle and all of that. Set intentional goals. Now you know where you are at. Start by setting intentional goals. Not everything may be for you to take action on. So rate yourself where you're doing well, where you're not doing well. Pick up 3 areas and begin over there. Glow ups don't happen by accident. Write down what you want to change or improve. Be specific. Maybe you want to start eating healthier, spend more time on your passions or hobbies, or set better boundaries in relationships. All of us do, right? So start there. Upgrade your mindset. The glow up starts in your mind. Replace limiting beliefs like I'm not good enough with I'm capable of achieving amazing things. Journaling, affirmations, and even working with a coach like me can help you here, or anyone else. It's just a shameless plug. Anyone, any coach or mentor, definitely coach, I would say. And sometimes maybe you need therapy, so you may need to work. Build tiny habits. Big changes come from small, consistent actions. Start simple. Commit to 10 minutes of exercise, drinking more water, or practicing gratitude daily. Small wins compound over time. When I first started my own glow up journey, I realized my morning set the tone for my entire day. And sometimes it would just be a race to get my child into the bus, get her ready, get her into school. So I committed to a simple morning ritual instead. Get up a bit earlier to either just think or journal. I keep my journal right next to my bedside table. Planning my day beforehand, one day prior sometimes, and moving my body around, like moving slowly, getting warm water, not just diving in and rushing through the day. I needed a slow start for about 15 minutes. It was a small shift, but it had a huge impact on my mindset and my state of emotions. Let's talk about the emotional and relational side of a glow up, because it's just as important as the tangible changes, right? Number one, protect your energy. Not everyone will understand your glow up journey, and that's okay. You might need to set boundaries or distance yourself from people who drain you or make fun of what you're doing or belittle you. Remember, your energy is precious, so protect it. Second, cultivate self compassion. Glow ups can bring up feelings of doubt or comparison. Maybe you're looking at someone else's journey and thinking, why am I not there yet? Here's the thing, your journey is yours. Progress, not perfection, is what matters. embrace joy. Sometimes we get so focused on the work of self improvement that we forget to enjoy life. Your glow up should feel good. Do things that make you happy. Whether that's dancing in your living room, spending time with loved ones, or pursuing a passion project, just for the heck of it, go ahead and do that. Finally, I want to share some quick practical tips you can start implementing today. Declutter your space, a clean space, clean mind, and all of that really is true. Your environment affects your energy. Start with one drawer, one corner of a room, one cupboard. Start decluttering your space. Upgrade your style. This doesn't mean spending a fortune. Experiment with outfits that make you feel confident. Speak to an image consultant if you want to. Speak to a personal shopper, or just, create a Pinterest board of stuff that you like and then, focus on developing your own personal style. Prioritize rest. Sleep is the ultimate glow up tool. Aim for 7 to 8 hours and watch your energy and mood improve. And it does not happen just by itself. Remember, you have to work on getting good sleep. I found that sleep is the one that has the most impact on everybody's lifestyle. So work hard to get good sleep. A lot of people take it very lightly. Learn something new, maybe take a course, read a book, or explore a hobby you've been curious about. Growth keeps you inspired and it can be something fun that you do. It can be an hour's class that you do of, pottery. And it can be something that just revives you and rejuvenates you. And there you have it, a simple starter pack to creating a personal and life glow up. Remember, this is a process and not a race. Celebrate your progress no matter how small and trust that every step is taking you closer to the life you want and does not have to have timelines to be done within 1 month. It can be a long-term thing that you do step by step, baby steps. I hope this episode was helpful, and if it resonated with you, share it with a friend who might need some inspo. And if you're ready to take your glow up to the next level, stay tuned for my upcoming program and resources designed to help you shine. Thanks for tuning in. And don't forget to hit follow, leave a rating, subscribe depending on the platform that you're on. If you're on Apple, leave me a good review if you like this. And follow me on social media for more tips and updates. Until next time, keep glowing and growing.
Thank you for listening to the podcast. If you like this episode and you want more, you can go to the show notes on my website, which is successwithsavita.com/podcast. If you like what you've heard so far, I would be grateful to you if you could leave me a 5-star review, subscribe to this podcast, and share with a friend who may find this useful. You can also follow me on my Instagram @successwithsavita and DM me any questions you may have, and I will be happy to answer them for you. Until the next episode, believe in yourself and all the best to your success.